Lean Six Sigma is a popular methodology to improve processes. But how does a Lean Six Sigma project work? What should you do if you want to start such a project? For that, Lean Six Sigma offers a roadmap known as DMAIC or DMAIC. These 5 phases prescribe a stepwise procedure for process improvement, based on measurements and evidence-based improvement actions. Hence, data and data analysis is very important in any DMAIC project. Did you know that somebody leading a Lean Six Sigma project is called a belt? You can lead a black belt or a green belt project depending on the complexity and the size of the project at hand. So, let's take a closer look at these 5 DMAIC phases of an improvement project. The D stands for define, the M stands for measure, A for analyze, I for improve, and C for control. In the define phase, the belt selects a project and establishes project objectives. In the measure phase, the belt makes a problem quantifiable and measures the process performance. Using the motto, "You cannot improve what you cannot measure," this is an important phase. And in this series of videos, I will show you various techniques that are useful in the measure phase. One of these is the Pareto analysis, which can be used to focus on the biggest problems. I will also discuss sampling strategies to select which observations to include in your measurement. After the measure phase comes the analyze phase, in which the belt analyzes the current situation and makes a diagnosis. The goal is to determine the nature of the problem at hand. Throughout this video series, you will be learning various techniques that are useful in the analyze phase, like for example visualizing your data using histograms or pie charts. In addition, you will also learn to determine the percentage of cases that are within a certain specification. After the analyze phase comes the improve phase. After the diagnosis of the current process, a belt develops and implements improvement actions based on vital influence factors. But first, the effectiveness of the proposed improvement actions or influence factors must be demonstrated. A possible way to do this is by using process data to show this effect. To prove the effect of influence factors on your process characteristics, we can look at scatter plots and box plots. I will also be teaching you how to use statistical techniques like regression and ANOVA to show that variables have a significant relationship. Finally, in the control phase, the process controls are improved and the project is closed. This is a vital phase of any project because we do not want that the process slips away to its performance level before the improvement. Statistical tools like the two-sample t-test can be used to compare the before and after project situation and show the effectiveness of your project. Any Lean Six Sigma project will consist of 5 DMAIC phases, and in this series of videos I will teach you all the data tools that you can use within these phases. Data analytics is important in the measure phase to collect measurements, in the analyze phase to analyze the current performance, in the improve phase to verify effectiveness of improvement actions, and in the control phase to quantify the results of your project.